Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash of Clans after deleting your account. Many players worry their progress is lost forever when they uninstall the app, but that's usually not the case. Your game progress is typically saved to a Supercell ID, Google Play account, or Apple ID. The first step is to understand how your account was originally linked. Let's dive into the simple steps to get your village back and rejoin the action. The most reliable way to recover your Clash of Clans village is through Supercell ID. When you open the game, look for the Login with Supercell ID button. Tap it, then enter the email address you used to create your Supercell ID. You'll receive a 6-digit verification code in that email. Simply input this code into the game, and your village should load right up. This method ensures your progress is always safe and easily accessible. Practice is absolutely essential for conquering wave levels. Use the dedicated practice mode to break down complex sections and understand their flow without the pressure of starting over. Repetition builds muscle memory, so don't hesitate to replay tricky parts many times. Finding your own consistent tapping pattern will significantly improve your control and overall performance in the game. Should the previous methods not work, don't despair. Supercell player support is there to help. From the in-game settings, navigate to Help and Support, and then contact us. Be prepared to provide as much information as possible about your lost account. This includes your player tag, the name of your clan, and the approximate date you last played. Support usually responds within 24 to 48 hours, guiding you through the final steps to recover your beloved village.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.